We will now begin with the first exercise of the core board lunge progression, Astride and Twist. We will begin in a forward bend position with the hands on the edge of the core board and pressure applied in order to create a tilt. This will reinforce and engage the abdominals. Move into a stride position, extending the right leg, keeping the spine extended, looking forward, and bending as deeply as possible through the left knee and ankle. The left heel should maintain contact with the floor. Press and turn the board with the arms while continuing in the stride position. This is done by pulling the left arm and pushing with the right. Maintain pressure with the right arm, lift the left arm, rotate the spine, and turn the head. Hold the hand toward the ceiling with the arm fully extended and palm turned up. Do not rotate through the hips. Maintain a stable position on the flexed left knee. Repeat with the opposite side. This concludes the first exercise. We will now begin the second exercise of the core board lunge progression, the hip flexor stretch. We will begin this position with the left foot placed on the core board in the center or slightly to the posterior part. This will begin again in the stride position. Take the hands to the left knee while bringing the spine to an upright position. This is in the hip flexor stretch position. Balance with the feet in line, bending the knee and extending the hip. Keep the abdominals hollow and the trunk erect. Do not hyperextend the spine. Press the arms overhead, maintaining an elongated spine. Again, do not hyperextend the spine. Rotate the torso toward the flexed knee and hip without any movement in the lower body. Keep the flexed knee and hip stable. Twist the torso as far as possible, turning the head, reaching upward, and maintaining an elongated spine. Repeat on the opposite side. Again, rotate toward the knee and hip, which is flexed, maintaining an erect torso and allowing the head to turn in addition. The need for stability can be increased by altering the foot position and taking the foot off center. This increases the demand for stability throughout the lower extremity and core. Again, rotate toward the knee and hip, which is flexed, maintaining an erect torso and allowing the head to turn in addition. Difficulty may be added by altering the foot position on the core board so that the level of stability is increased. This concludes the second exercise of the lunge exercise progression. We will now start the third exercise of the core board lunge progression. This exercise will be noted as the external rotator stretch. We will begin the external rotator stretch in a push-up position. Actively, the left foot will be brought across the body and in front of the body. Slowly lower the body to the floor. Use some type of bolster under the left leg if the thigh cannot be maintained in a flat position, or if the stretch causes unnecessary rotation of the hip. While performing the stretch, maintain pressure into the core board and engaging the abdominals. Following this stretch, return to the stride position and repeat on the opposite side. Again, maintain pressure on the core board to engage the abdominals. The spine should stay in an elongated, lengthened position. This concludes the third exercise of the core board lunge progression.